how to use Snapchat My AI chatbot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Snapchat app. Now go to the chats on the bottom section and here go to My AI. It will appear right there on top of your chats. Now you can ask any question here and it will reply back to you. So if I send in a question, so this is what it replies in few seconds. Now, if you want to make your AI more personal, then tap on My AI option on the top. You can even see Customize My Personality option. Tap on it, and then here you can put in your AI's bio, or you can go to the profile and then tap on Customize and then change the avatar and the outfit. And another great thing is you can even change your AI's name. So you can put in a name that you want and hit save. So it's as simple as that to use Snapchat AI chatbot. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.